Thinking about buying a HomePod Mini, Apple TV 4K, or pack of AirTags? Take a beat. In a few minutes, you'll know exactly when to buy, when to wait, the signals that a refresh is close, and a couple of money-saving tricks most people miss. Why Apple's accessories don't update every year. These products don't follow the iPhone's annual cycle. Apple refreshes them when there's a real user visible gain, smarter voice features, better wireless, deeper home integration, or a price move, not just a new chip label. Translation: today's models are mature and finished, and when Apple does update, it usually matters. HomePod Mini, should you buy or wait? What it is today: compact smart speaker that doubles as a matter. Thread smart home hub. Great for Siri timers, intercom, quick commands, and casual music. Watch class silicon. Apple spatial, acoustic tuning, U1 for proximity. Apple has added color options and unlocked temp, humidity sensors in software no many to yet. Why Apple might wait? Apple's home strategy hinges on smarter, more personal on-device intelligence for Siri. Newer Apple Gear includes a second-gen UWB chip with longer range and higher precision that would improve handoff, room awareness, and proximity features. Rumors persist of a HomePod with a display or dockable home experience, but those don't ship on a clock. By now, if you want a reliable, Apple-centric speaker and smart home hub today, you'll use Siri for timers, lights, intercom, and casual music. You plan to stereo pair to minis for kitchen, bedroom, office sound. Wait, if you specifically want richer device intelligence, better room awareness, or a model with a display, you can comfortably wait through Apple's typical Windows spring announcements, WWDC in June for the software roadmap, and fall hardware season to see where home features are headed. Pro tips: placement matters. Near a wall equals warmer bass. If it booms, toggle reduce bass in the Home app. With Apple TV Mini, pairs are great for streaming, but note full home theater or pass-through works with the larger HomePod. Not Mini. Apple TV 4K, should you buy or wait? What it is to a 15-powered streamer that feels instant. 4K Dolby Vision, HD R10+, Dolby Atmos, quick app switching, silky UI. Apple has focused on VOS features, profiles, Fitness Plus, better Siri, continuity camera, FaceTime via iPhone more than hardware since the 2022 model. Why Apple might wait? Streaming doesn't need a racing engine. The A15 is more than enough for most, and new box likely arrives to lower the entry price. Enable a clearly new use case: built-in camera, more capable gaming, or align with a chip that unlocks something visible. By now, if your TV's built-in software is slow or annoying, you live in Apple's ecosystem, or you're on a pre-2021 Apple TV. You want better Apple Arcade performance than bargain sticks. Wait, if you're hoping for a significantly cheaper model or one with a built-in camera for couch mode FaceTime, you already own the 2021 Apple TV 4K. The 2022 jump is nice, not essential. Pro tips and settings: enable match dynamic range and match frame rate for accurate cinema correct motion and color. Use iPhone color balance for a quick picture tune up big gains. Zero tools. AirTags, should you buy or wait? What they are to date: any trackers that tap Apple's massive Find My network. U1 ultra wideband for precision finding on iPhone 11 and newer. Replaceable CR2032 speaker chirps, and stronger unwanted tracking protections including Apple, Google cross-platform alerts. Why Apple might wait? Most improvements have been software policy so far. Credible chatter points to a next-gen tag featuring Apple's newer UWB tech, better range, precision, possibly improved efficiency, and louder speaker. Timing has been rumored around 2025, but plans can slip. By now, if you need to tag luggage, keys, bags, bikes, especially for upcoming travel, you value the network effect. Millions of iPhones equals faster, more reliable pings. Wait, if you don't have an immediate need and you specifically want next-gen UWB range or efficiency. Pro tips: name with purpose. Dad's work keys or black remote beats keys when sharing across family. For important luggage, Place the tags in separate compartments to hedge against signal shielding if a fresh battery acts flaky. Try a different brand or one without a bittern coating. Some coatings cause contact issues. The simple rule that prevents buyer's remorse. The current model does the job you need at a price you're happy to pay. Buy it unless there's a known Apple announcement window in the next few weeks. Then wait and reassess. To red flags or refresh is near stock wobble, ship date slip, or big retailers quietly run out of common SKUs. Broad out-of-season discounts across multiple major retailers at once. Bonus green flag. New model identifiers or features referenced in Apple beta software often surface before announcements. Smart price triggers. US HomePod Mini under $80 is a strong buy. $99 is fair if you need it now. 606070 flash sales are stereo pair territory. Apple TV 4K, $99 is excellent. If you care about Ethernet or Thread router capability, the 128GB Ethernet model is the one to watch for deals. AirTags, round $29. Each were $99 for pack. Sub $99 for pack. Sub $80 for a 4-pack or bundles with useful accessories are solid. Best times to buy back to school, Black Friday, holiday season, and periodic drops from Amazon, Best Buy, Target, Costco. Use Apple's return window 14 days, typically extended into January during holidays. If something new drops, return and swap. Risk-free. Real-world quick decision. HomePod Mini for the kitchen. Buy now for hands-free timers, lights, intercom, and music. If you want visibly smarter, more conversational Siri at home, watch Apple's next software event before pulling the trigger. Apple TV for sanity. If your TV UI drives you nuts, buy now. The daily quality of life boost likely outweighs a potential $40 savings months from now. AirTags for travel. Don't wait. The peace of mind is worth more than marginal future precision. If your use is nice to have, keep an eye on next-gen rumors and decide when timing firms up. Fast wins you can do today. HomePod Mini. Build home scenes that match real routines. Movie time. Dims light. Closes blinds, sets volume. Apple TV. Upgrade your soundbar, receiver, powered speakers for a huge jump in dialogue clarity and immersion. AirTags. Share items with family members so both of you can see the location. Fewer false left behind. Alerts. Mindset that saves money. Buying tech isn't about chasing the newest thing, it's about solving your actual problem at a price that feels good. These 3 products are mature, reliable, and well supported. Apple will update them when there's a story worth telling, not because the calendar flips your move. Which one are you leaning toward? HomePod Mini, Apple TV, or AirTags? Are you buying now or waiting for the next wave? Tell me what you're deciding and I'll keep you posted when real signals appear. Inventory shifts, code hints, the whole deal. Until then, buy smart, use the return window, and enjoy tech that makes everyday life easier.